In a previous video, we talked about how to promote other people's products by building an email list first, then directing them to a review page or bonus page, and then linking to the affiliate offer, and then following up with a series of emails. We went into more detail on this on how to structure your emails, how to design the landing page, and how it all fits together. Now, let's reverse the roles and this time provide a pre-made review or bonus package for your affiliates, so they, in turn, sell more copies of your product. Here's how the system works. You start off by giving your affiliate or JV partner your pre-written emails. They add their links in the emails and then they send it out to their list. Those readers then click the link in the email which takes them to your hosted review site or bonus page. Keep in mind that this site is hosted on your domain, but made to look like it's created by the affiliate. The affiliate's readers then go through the page, get a good sense of what the deal is, and click a button or a text link which takes them to your sales page. When they make a purchase at the official site, they're redirected to the thank you page to access the product and the bonus package. Now, the bonus package is delivered to every customer, irrespective of where they came from and who referred them. So, whether the customer was referred by an affiliate or just a random person that landed on your sales page, everyone gets the same product and bonuses, so no one misses out. Another thing to note is that your review page or bonus page now becomes the primary landing page for your affiliates. However, you can still give them the option to promote your sales page directly, in case they're using other forms of advertising. So what you've just done is you've made it super easy for your affiliates to promote your product. The customer gets more value, the affiliate makes more sales, and you as a seller make passive income from the efforts of your affiliates. And if you set up your funnel correctly, you should be building a list of buyers in the process. And obviously, the more offers you have in your sales funnel, the more profit you're going to make, not just for you, but your affiliate as well. So logically, it makes sense to repeat this process and get more affiliates on board, because every affiliate has their own followers, and you can put them through the same process and repeat the results again and again and again. To take things further, you can create an entire site especially for affiliates that entices them to join your program and gives them all the resources they need so they can take action and promote your offer immediately. What this means is that you can now spend more time promoting your affiliate page and less time promoting your sales page. And in doing so, you build your business much faster and cheaper than if you were to do everything yourself. So, some keynotes to remember. Work on your main offer and upsells first. Get the sales in first and then take screenshots of your sales to show your affiliates that your offer converts. Next, create your bonus page and products. Use PLR to create your bonus products fast and then add them to your thank you page or members area so that the bonus is delivered to all customers no matter where they came from and who referred them. Next, change your default affiliate link to the bonus page. That way, affiliates can promote your bonus page directly before traffic goes to the sales page. Alternatively, you can give your affiliates the option to choose which page to promote in case some prefer to promote the sales page directly. Next, give your affiliates the best swipe emails. Save them time and give them the best email messages and subject lines that get the highest open rates and click rates because their traffic will be your traffic. Then recruit more affiliates and joint venture partners. Once you see sales coming in from your affiliates, build a site dedicated to attract more partners to join your program and give them even more resources to promote you such as banners, articles, videos, email signatures, and so on. Remember, when your system is set up and done right, you'll be able to spend more time recruiting affiliates with big email lists and spend less time promoting your own product, which in turn will generate passive income and grows your business faster. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.